My name is Thomas Wendzinski, and first of all, let me thank the organizers for trying to shift our presentation slot. Christoph Jugel, the first founder of Econitor, right now gets his first child to birth, his wife rather, and so I'm here today. And I want to tell you or introduce you into some ideas of Econitor which should help to have a more eco-friendly life. And this regards to efficiency, energy efficiency, and resources. How do we use resources? And we think the best resources used are the resources that aren't used. So we want to raise the efficiency. And we've just learned that efficiency needs transparency, and on the other hand, this transparency drives efficiency. What am I talking about? We want to create a platform, a software as a service that allows you to understand your energy consumption, your carbon emissions, and your costs. And we utilize an approach that's called persuasive design. So while enabling the user to understand and see his consumptions, his carbon emissions, and key performance indicators, he could be motivated this way to change something in its consumption. Let's go to the next slide. Another thing is that we are absolutely independent from any energy provider or any hardware. So actually we do not develop hardware, but a software, and we implement interfaces to hardware in order to be able to just stream data from measurement devices into our software. In the first run, you can just start using the software by manually putting in reading data. So you could just read an energy reading from your measurement device in the cellar room or somewhere else, and put it in via SMS or via email, or directly using the software from your internet browser. But another thing is this Internet of Things. We just heard the last days it's growing, and but actually users don't have the possibility to use this data, and we just want to enable the user to get this data transparent for him, and to understand and get more out of it. Another thing is we want to enable to have comparisons with different user groups or similar user groups, so to drive this persuasive design into this direction. So when I can see how does a household, like for instance a couple, compares to me living in a flat of 60 square meters with a specific energy factor of that home. So how is it isolated, stuff like that. So we collect many factors that have an influence on the efficiency. So we do not only track energy consumption data, but also how high is your water consumption, or how high is your heating consumption. So the software is developed in a way to deal with different kinds of data, no matter of what physical quantity it is. And in this direction, we want to build the Eco Information Hub on the Internet of Things for the future, and yeah, we are working hard on it. When we talk about big data, we see, okay, there is a variety in big data, and how does this apply to us? It applies in a way that, yeah, we collect many different kinds of information. So on the one hand, we have this consumption. On the other hand, we have things like in which setting is a user situated, like how is his home made up, and stuff like that, personal information as well. On the other hand, there's this velocity. Imagine nowadays you get your electricity invoice once a year maybe, and at the end of a year you don't have the chance to reflect or even react on things that happen. So if in case my fridge just broke this year and I didn't realize it because it all the time uses the full energy, because yeah, sometimes it happens that it just doesn't go off and always runs. Yeah, then you do not have the connection to your high electricity invoice, and we just want to give a direct feedback, maybe in real time, yes, in real time, to understand this stuff of consumption better. Yeah, and with this we have a lot, yeah, the volume is high. Measurement devices, for example, only one device streams like 500,000 data points a year, and yeah, we can imagine simply that in one house we do not have only one measurement device, but rather, I don't know, 20 or more that are connected, or that are connected to different devices we want to measure. In this connection, we need to talk about privacy. Any design decision made so far for building the architecture of our system was with privacy kept in mind. Data is, of course, encrypted, and yeah, you cannot track back or trace back to yeah, personal identifiable information. Yeah, we would be happy, of course, to do something together with Nugget, and always keep in mind to keep private data private, and yeah, to help users to save money and maybe make the world just a bit a better place. And yeah, maybe we could in this way launch together a useful service. Yeah, for Chris, I just received some business cards. I will put them here on the stage, and you can talk also to him. As I already said, he isn't here, and of course, I'm looking forward to talk to you directly if you like. Thanks. Yeah.
What's your revenue stream? Are you charging consumers to use this?
We have a sort of a freemium model. On the one hand, we have implemented a fully white label solution, so that other companies are able to market the software under their own label, and we have something like licensing costs. We also want to, yeah, if you as a company come to us and say, okay, we do want to have this or this feature, I don't know, something like solar panels, measurement of solar panels, then we could do this, and also, yeah, raise money from that. Yeah. So to be clear, it's for private users. It should always be kept with no costs, and just for premium things like a really high resolution, there could be the idea to get some money from that.
Okay. No more questions? No? Then thank you very much. Cheers.
Thanks.